sand upon the shore. We are drifting where the tide is deep, far away from every stone we know. Far away. Oh, the water holds the fire above. Let the salt air pull the weight away. Rest your head against the rising dark. We are falling in the velvet blue. Now the pine trees are a jagged line, small and silent on the edge of sight. Close your eyes and let the river run to the places where the wind is still. Where the wind is still. Oh, the water holds the fire above. Let the salt air pull the weight away. Rest your head against the rising dark. We are falling in the velvet blue. No more walking on the frozen ground. No more carrying the heavy iron. Just the rocking of the wooden heart. Rocking slow, rocking slow. Oh, the water holds the fire above. Let the salt tear the weight away. Rest your head against the rising dark. We are falling in the velvet blue. Into the blue.